this is the part of the 5-6 team. We'd just like to talk you through the autumn terms curriculum and your children's learning. So obviously in literacy, children daily will be taking home their reading books. They will have spellings which are based on rules and individual spellings to learn. The units that we are teaching the children are poetry, reading and understanding poetry. They will be writing character and setting descriptions, and then using those skills to write a story. And then after that, they will be learning about how to write a newspaper report, persuasive adverts, and then just before Christmas we look at a novel approach, and the children study A Christmas Carol and write for different purposes from that amazing Christmas story.
In Numeracy, both Year 5 and Year 6 have started off with a focus on place value. So Year 5 look at numbers to 1 million and Year 6 look at numbers to 10 million. So now both year groups are moving on to calculation. For Year 5, that will be focusing on addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Year 6, we have more of a focus on multiplication and division. They already will be quite confident with the others. And then after half term, we will all move on to fractions and decimals. Your children have a My Maths account, so extra work gets put on there if they want to do some practice at home.
In science this term, we'll be learning about light. They'll be building on their knowledge from lower key stage 2 to understand how light allows us to see how it travels in straight lines, and to solidify this learning through a range of experiments.
So we alternate history and geography. So this term is history learning. So we're focusing on the Romans and why they invaded Britain, and also the legacy that they left behind. Next term, this will move on to geography, and we're looking at the 7 biomes of the world. In computing, this time we're looking at coding. So your children all have a Scratch account, so they can practice this at home. So we're going to be looking at how to create our own animation.
In music, children are learning to sing at different pitches, and we'll be singing different songs from different cultures and learning to sing in harmonies and rounds. And in art, children will be practicing their pencil skills by sketching self-portraits or portraits linked to Queen Elizabeth II.
This term in RE, we'll be building on our understanding of Hinduism and learning about what it feels like to be a Hindu today. And in PSHE, we're looking at what good mental health looks like, how children can look after their mental health, as well as looking at cyberbullying and other things that could affect how people feel.
Thank you for listening.